In today's fast-paced digital world, effective social media management is crucial for small business owners, content creators, and marketing agencies alike. The challenge often lies in streamlining these efforts across multiple platforms, which can quickly become overwhelming without the right tools. That's where Buffer comes in, offering a powerful, all-in-one solution to simplify your social media strategy and bring order to your online presence. Getting started with Buffer is straightforward. Your first step is to sign up and choose a plan that best suits your needs, whether you're an individual or a large agency. Buffer offers various plans, from free options for individuals to comprehensive business plans, each designed to scale with your social media ambitions. Once your account is set up, you'll connect your social media profiles, including Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and others in just a few clicks. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted by the intuitive Buffer dashboard, your central hub for all social media activities. Key sections like publishing for scheduling content, analytics for performance tracking, and engagement for audience interaction are prominently displayed. Scheduling posts is a core feature of Buffer, allowing you to plan your content calendar efficiently. You can schedule posts manually or leverage Buffer's optimal timing tool. When crafting your posts, remember to incorporate relevant keywords for SEO and compelling calls to action to maximize engagement and reach. Understanding your audience and content performance is vital. Buffer's robust analytics tab provides deep insights into your social media efforts. You can easily access and interpret key metrics, helping you refine your strategy and optimize future content for better results. Engaging with your audience is simplified through Buffer's Engagement tab, which centralizes comments and messages from all connected platforms. This feature ensures you can respond promptly and maintain meaningful conversations, fostering stronger community connections. For teams, Buffer facilitates seamless collaboration. You can invite team members, assign specific roles, and implement approval workflows. These features ensure a cohesive social media strategy where everyone is aligned and content is approved before going live. Buffer extends its convenience beyond the dashboard with a powerful browser extension and a mobile app. The browser extension allows you to share content on the fly, while the mobile app lets you manage your social media from anywhere, anytime. Buffer also offers advanced features like an AI assistant for generating content ideas and the rebuffer feature for recycling evergreen posts. These tools further enhance your productivity and ensure your best content continues to reach your audience effectively. Buffer is an indispensable tool for achieving social media success, offering efficiency, performance insights, and streamlined collaboration. Need help managing your social media? Contact Portofino Marketing Agency today to elevate your social media presence.